What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, it's Al here, and in today's video we're going to be answering the question, how much is the road tax on a Toyota Yaris hybrid? With the growing popularity of hybrid cars, especially with their promise of reduced emissions and better fuel economy, understanding the financial implications, including road tax, is crucial. So, how much is the road tax on a Toyota Yaris hybrid? Let's dive in and find out. What is road tax and why does it matter? Road tax is an annual tax that drivers must pay to keep their vehicles legally on the road. The amount you pay depends on several factors, including the vehicle's CO2 emissions, the type of fuel it uses, and the date it was first registered. For hybrid vehicles, including the Toyota Yaris hybrid, the road tax is often lower than for conventional petrol or diesel cars, thanks to the lower emissions. This makes them an attractive option for environmentally conscious drivers who are also looking to save a bit of money. If you're curious about other Toyota Yaris, be sure to check out our website, carnights.co.uk. Understanding road tax for hybrid vehicles. Hybrid vehicles, which combine a traditional internal combustion engine with an electric motor, are generally taxed differently from conventional vehicles. The government recognises the environmental benefits of hybrids, which is why they often fall into lower tax bands. For instance, road tax for hybrid vehicles is primarily based on CO2 emissions. The lower the emissions, the lower the tax. Additionally, since 2017, new car registrations are taxed differently, and cars with CO2 emissions below 50 grams per kilometre benefit from significant tax breaks. Toyota Yaris, an overview. The Yaris hybrid is one of the most popular hybrids in the UK, thanks to its reliability, fuel efficiency and compact design. The car is perfect for city driving, offering excellent fuel economy and smooth driving experience. It is also known for its low emissions, which not only helps the environment, but also means you'll benefit from the low tax. How is road tax calculated for the Toyota Yaris hybrid? The amount of road tax you'll need to pay on a Toyota Yaris hybrid depends on several factors, with CO2 emissions being the most significant. For new vehicles, the first year road tax is often referred to as the showroom tax and is based entirely on emissions. After the first year, a standard rate applies. For a Toyota Yaris hybrid, which typically has CO2 emissions ranging from 75 to 90 grams per kilometre, you'll find it falls into one of the lower. As of 2024, the first year rate for a vehicle in this emission range is minimal, and subsequent years are also quite affordable compared to many other vehicles. What is the current road tax rates for Toyota Yaris hybrids in 2024? To give you a clearer picture, let's look at the current road tax rates for the Toyota Yaris hybrid as of 2024. The first year rate. For the Toyota Yaris hybrid with CO2 emissions between 75 and 90 grams per kilometre, the first year rate is around £115. This is considerably lower than many conventional petrol or diesel vehicles. Standard rate. After the first year, the standard rate is £180 per year. This is the flat rate applied to most vehicles, but hybrid cars like the Yaris still benefit from slight reduction compared to conventional vehicles. Are there any exemptions or discounts for the Toyota Yaris hybrid? While the road tax for the Toyota Yaris hybrid is already quite reasonable, there are additional discounts and exemptions you might be eligible for. Number 1. Alternative fuel discount. Hybrid vehicles typically qualify for a £10 discount on the standard rate due to their use of alternative fuel sources. Number 2. Low emission vehicles. If your Yaris hybrid has CO2 emissions under 50 grams per kilometre, which is less than common for this model, you could be eligible for even lower tax rates. How to pay road tax for your Toyota Yaris hybrid. Paying road tax for your Yaris hybrid is straightforward. You can pay online through the DVLA website, set up a direct debit or pay at a post office. The choice is yours, but setting up a direct debit ensures you don't miss a payment and avoid any penalties. If you need any help with this, just reach out to me in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Comparing road tax costs. Toyota Yaris hybrid versus other hybrid vehicles. When choosing a hybrid car, road tax is just one factor to consider. However, it's worth comparing the Yaris hybrid's road tax costs with other hybrid vehicles in the same class. For example, the Honda Jazz hybrid and the Ford Fiesta hybrid are two other popular options. While all three offer low emissions and good fuel economy, the Yaris hybrid generally falls into a lower tax band, making it more economical over time. Conclusion. Is the Toyota Yaris hybrid worth the road tax? In conclusion, The road tax on a Toyota Yaris hybrid is highly affordable, especially when compared to many other vehicles on the road today. With low emissions, a reasonable tax rate, and the additional benefits of driving a hybrid, the Yaris hybrid is an excellent choice for those looking to save on running costs while also being kinder to the environment. FAQs. What is the road tax for a brand new Toyota Yaris hybrid? The first year road tax for a brand new Yaris hybrid is typically around £115, depending on the specific emissions of the model. Does the road tax for the Toyota Yaris hybrid differ by region? No. Road tax rates are standard across the UK, though there may be additional local charges like congestion fees. Are there additional taxes or fees associated with the Toyota Yaris hybrid? Aside from road tax, you may need to consider other costs like insurance, but there are no additional taxes specific to the Yaris hybrid. How does the road tax for a Toyota Yaris hybrid compare to a conventional petrol or diesel Yaris? The road tax for the hybrid version is generally lower due to its reduced CO2 emissions, making it a more cost-effective choice in the long run. Are you looking to buy a new used car? Contact us today and we can help you. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.